and welcome to my channel. Today is yet another Nadine West unboxing or unbagging video and try-on session. In case you haven't heard, Nadine West is a monthly or bi-monthly fashion clothing subscription service. You get to try on the items they send, paying for only the items that you keep. Oh, it ripped. Not the clothes. Okay, so again, another 2 bundles. Okay, well, let's start with, I guess, the ripped bundle. Okay, and of course, earrings. They always send earrings. Oh, these look like kind of cute. So, yeah. Statement earrings. So, we'll try those on in a second. The top. I'm not sure. I like the cut. I like the feel of the material. I'm not sold on the pattern yet, but we'll see how it looks on. You never know. These are interesting. They're with the lace over them. They're black. It's probably hard to see, but oh, you can see it's like lace, crocheted lace kind of shorts with some lining stuff, but I like they're starting to send like more bottoms and stuff. That's awesome. And the second non-ripped bundle. More earrings. Oh, these are glittery. Glitzy. Pretty. I like these too. Okay, what's we got? Oh, this is way cute. It's like a dress, like a little sporty dress. I like it. Definitely seeing how that looks. Have some tissue. What is this? Oh, it's another dress. Nice. Shorter ones. I don't do long dresses well. I'm short. This looks cute. So we'll have to see with this one too. Shoot, I might like the whole everything. Alright, let's go try all these on and see how they look.
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a fly to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage, 'cause you can handle my game. No, my drive's a puzzle. I got you so bumfuzzled, 'cause you can fall into my pain. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm just a fly to get up here. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over.
that was actually a really good shipment. I am not keeping everything. I had to narrow it down. So I'm definitely keeping, as you can see, the blue, kind of sporty, with the hoodie dress. I like this. It's like a very light fleece too, so it's kind of warmer but not too warm. That's perfect for where I live because it doesn't really ever get that cold. The yellow top I'm sending back, I did like it. I liked the little crisscross. I need a yellow top. I need a brighter one actually, but I was surprised I actually liked it more than I thought I would, so that was good. So I am keeping the black lacy shorts because I did like how those fits, and I needed another pair of black shorts. And I'm keeping both of the earrings. I was debating on the longer dangly ones, but I figured if anything I can shorten them or make them into a necklace because they were really pretty and sparkly, and I like sparkly shiny things. The black dress with these the stars on it, I liked it, but I found a lot of dresses lately, and of course I'm keeping the little blue sporty one that I said right away that I was gonna keep. So yeah, so I decided to send that one back because I didn't know when I would actually get a chance to wear it, to be honest. But I mean, it fit great, and other than that, I just, you know, just didn't see if I'd wear it much or not. So, I don't know. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by clicking the thumbs up button, and consider subscribing for more unboxing, fashion videos, and more. Oh, and while you're there, also be sure to click the little bell button next to the subscription button so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos. Alright, so what's your favorite subscription service for fashion or beauty or anything like that? And do you like to shop online or in person? Let me know in the comments below, that'd be awesome. Alright everyone, thanks for watching, and I will see everyone next video. Alright, bye.